stuck the pot pie in the oven. Oh my gosh, so excited. I stuck some tinfoil down below because just in case it decides to bubble over, I won't have to clean up anything. But look how good that looks. So I want to share a little gift wrapping life hack with you that I do when I wrap presents. Say hi, Sadie. Say hi. What are you doing? So this life hack has two parts actually. The first part is just how I stay organized while I'm wrapping presents in general, and that is with a basket. This basket has everything I need in it. Scissors, ribbon, it even has like tiny little bags in case I need that. It has a few random little boxes for any kind of gifts that I need. Like, this is just my go-to all-purpose gift basket. Like literally gift basket. This helps me wrap all my gifts. I have different kind of tapes in here. I keep this basket going year long because if I ever need to wrap something really quickly, because you know, you always get in a bind if you're wrapping a present for someone's birthday or something like that. I just grab this out of the closet and organized and ready to go. And I'm not searching for things. It's just right where I need it, when I need it. So sometimes you buy a present for someone that is oddly shaped. And what I mean by oddly shaped is it doesn't wrap well in wrapping paper. It probably requires the bag or just something a little bit more creative, right? Sometimes you don't have a bag and you're like, what am I supposed to do? And then you end up giving an oddly shaped gift wrapped really, really weird. But I have a way to wrap that looks super cute. So first you need an oddly shaped gift. So we're gonna wrap my shoe. So first you're gonna need to cut your paper. So you're going to need it to be halfway the width of your item. So I'm gonna need just like a little bit more than that. So I'm probably gonna cut it right about here. So I don't need to cut the whole thing. It just needs to be taller than the item and leaving a little bit of space at the bottom. For this next part, I just laid the paper out. You're gonna need your tape, and then I just folded it in to meet kind of at the center. It doesn't need to be perfect, but you wanna line up the edges as close to the edge as you can, and you're gonna tape all the way down. You just want to tape this main part here. This bottom part doesn't really matter yet. You don't need to tape all the way down here yet, and you'll see why. Oh my gosh, who's home? Did Daddy get home? Is it Daddy? Is it Daddy? Oh, it's Daddy. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this next thing you want to do is take this bottom part right here, and it's going to vary. You can take a little tiny bit and fold it up. You can take a bigger portion and fold it up. It's just going to depend, and you're just going to have to play with it on your own. So I just fold it up. Sadie, I'm trying to wrap a present. Oh my gosh, get off my paper. I realized that I should be wrapping the present this way so you can see the pretty tree and the baby girl. Oh my gosh. You're just the cutest. And then the next step from here is you're going to take that flap and stand it up, and then you're going to open up the middle and squish it down. Just like this. Now this doesn't have to be perfect. This is the bottom, so no one's gonna see this. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna fold in one edge and fold in the other edge. And you're gonna tape this part down. And tape it anywhere it needs to be taped that you think it needs, like support. This is going to be the base of your bag, so you want it to be strong, depending on how heavy your object is. Now you're gonna stand your bag up and open it up. Now you have a bag with a hole in it and everything. So all you have to do is put your present inside. You can stick some tissue paper down there if you want to. I don't need to do it for this because I'm not actually giving my boot as a gift. And now the boot is inside and we can close her up, and she's standing all on her own. See that, Sadie? It's so cool, huh? Such a good idea. I've stuck you inside the tree for this part, so you're sitting in the tree right now. But I want to show you how to finish it off. So here is where we taped the bag together, right here. So this will be the back of the bag. Just fold over the top as much as you need to. The shoe is kind of down here, so I could fold it even more if I wanted to, but it's kind of up to you. So I'm just gonna fold it in half. And you could leave it like that if you want, but I like to tuck down the edges, just like this. And then fold it one more time. And then you're just gonna tape it. And of course I'm doing this super quick. You could go into a lot more detail and make it a lot more perfect, but I'm just showing you how to do it right now. So then the best part is you can just add a little name tag and a little bow and you have your little gift bag for your oddly shaped item. So that's how I wrap my oddly shaped items. I don't know if you have a way you do it. If you do, please let me know in the comments below. I'd love to learn something new and add it to my weirdly shaped item wrapping repertoire, if you will. And here is the final product. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to eat this.